Hello friends, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to see that how we can implement a screenshot taking and sharing feature in our React Native app. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do it. And yeah, thanks for subscribing. So now let's dive into the topic. So here you can see that my Android app is running in my Android emulator, and you can see that Infinix is there, and this is the code of this particular page. Okay, here you can see build to, and the dealer name is Neha, and from Rajiv Kumar is there in the page. So this entire code is the code of that page that you see on the emulator. So let's start the process. I will explain you everything in step by step. So the first thing that we are going to do is taking screenshots. So for that we are using ViewShot, which is coming from React Native ViewShot. Okay, and the second thing that we are doing is sharing that screenshot. Okay, so we are using share async, which is coming from expo-sharing. Now let's know why I'm not using React Native share library over here. So I will install npm I React Native and share, and let it get installed. It will not take too much time. So 1, 2 and 3. Yeah, it's installed. Now let's import the share function from that library, React Native share, and let's see. The file is not saved. Let me save it. Control S, and you see it will throw an error. And maximum of the time in React Native you cannot see what is the error and where it is coming from.
इसी बात से मुझे नफरत है.
So you have to do try and catch method all the time. So that's why let's remove that code and let's uninstall this React Native share. And this was the reason why I am using expo-sharing library in my React Native app. Now the third step is to take the reference of the ViewShot tag, you say, or element. So we are using useRef to store that reference in ViewShot ref, and here this you see the ref is equals to ViewShot ref, and I have used ViewShot tag over here. You can see. So the fourth thing is to use ViewShot tag and wrap your entire component, whatever you want to take the screenshot of, and inside the ViewShot whatever things are there, it will capture and it will convert it into JPG. So here you can see options is equals to, and we have format, that is JPG, and quality is 1, and instead of 1 you can also have 0.9, but it's my choice to have 1. Okay, now let's save it, and we are taking the reference here, and after that we will have to have a button in the page, right? So we have on press handles share. So this is the function which gets run whenever that share button is clicked. Okay, so here you see it is an async function over here. So we use async await whenever we are doing like operations like API fetching or some operations which do take time, and we want to stop that next code which is not going to run before this operation is done. So here you can see that we have ViewShot ref current dot capture. This ViewShot ref is coming from here, you see, and we are going to capture that entire ViewShot tag, anything that is inside the ViewShot tag. Okay, and we are storing it in URI. Now here you can see we are using share async, and we are passing the URI that we have captured. right? And after that, here you see meme type is image, or it can be in the image it will be JPG. And the dialog type, I have written the dialog type as share this image, and the UTI will be JPEG or JPEG, anything. So it defines the type of the image or the data that we are sharing. And the catch method is to catch any errors if there is any error. So yeah, this is the function that runs when the button is clicked. Now let's click that button, and you see the sharing, it is previewing the image over there, and you can share it to anything over here. Yay! And in this we don't have WhatsApp or any other app, so that's why it is not showing that. And this error is because I clicked that button double time. Let's click on that share again, and you see again, you see the preview of the screenshot. So yeah, that is how we implement the screenshot and sharing feature in our React Native app. And if you have learned a new thing, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and yeah, share it with your friends. And also don't forget to like this video because it motivates me to make more such videos. Thanks for your support, and I will meet you in next video. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.